When a monster amphibious truck rolls over cars, chaos becomes inevitable. Add in old-school car crushers bending metal like paper and modern industrial shredders ripping through everything from steel to wood. You've got destruction with purpose. Recycling has never looked this extreme. Watching the Lars LX crush a car makes us deeply reflect on scale, strength, and perspective. What seems enormous in daily life turns fragile under relentless, overwhelming power. This amphibious giant is not just a weapon of war. It is also a lasting, valuable lesson in how human engineering pushes beyond the boundaries of nature.
There you go.
This old-school car crusher is powered by a Chevy 350 engine, a V8 small block known for durability and reliability. While modern crushers rely on hydraulics, this machine uses raw mechanical force to flatten cars completely. It's a fascinating glimpse into the tough early days of scrapyard engineering history. The Petzolato Peth or 1000 hacker truck packs a MAN engine delivering 480 HP, paired with an Epsilon PAL finger crane for steady feed. With a 1000 MLOI drum and 1780 molar hopper, it processes a 130-150 cubic meters per hour. Efficiency and raw torque make this Italian-built beast a benchmark in forestry. Imagine the camera zooming into colossal tires, black rubber stretched tight like muscle. Then the Arges 250's jaws clamp down, twisting steel cords until they scream. Sparks flicker, hydraulic arms pulse. It feels like industrial thunderstorm where every bite pulls chaos into order. Upstate Shredding is one of the East Coast's most advanced scrap recycling systems, processing thousands of tons daily. With massive hammer mills, it turns cars and metals into uniform pieces for smelting, improving purity, and serving as a pillar of America's circular economy. There's something oddly satisfying about watching TPA and IDOL pre-shredders at work. ELVs roll in bulky and leave as shredded fragments, all thanks to Appleton's clever spring system. It's the industrial version of cutting birthday cake. Messy but fun, and surprisingly therapeutic to watch. Wow, didn't expect plastic to vanish so quickly. 1 second it's a full barrel, the next it's shredded fragments flying down the conveyor. That torque is unreal, like tearing paper with bare hands. Industrial recycling just delivered a jaw-dropping magic trick in plain sight. The Dopstat 3060 Biopower packs a 510 horsepower Mercedes-Benz diesel engine, delivering torque over 177,000 FTLBs. Its hydraulic drive maintains steady feed, making it Germany's benchmark for processing tough wood and biomass at an impressive 45 tons per hour. Once tires piled high behind gas stations, forgotten and useless. Today, this shredder turns them into valuable feedstock, breathing life into steel and rubber again. Watching, you realize how far recycling has traveled, from wasted heaps to a future built on circular economy dreams. Under glaring lights, the Quirquois 40 grabs wooden pallets like prey, its steel jaws grinding relentlessly. Every strike feels cinematic, echoing thunder as planks vanish. It's less a recycling process, more a dramatic battle where raw force bends industry to its will. Working years in yards, I've seen manual baling chew time in backs. This 16-ton mobile baler changed everything. Fast, reliable, less risk. Hydraulic clamps hold firm, no dangerous rebounds if safety gear's on. Efficiency here means more profit and fewer injuries for workers. That gray sedan thought it was tough until Bessler's crusher showed up like a metal dentist, pulling every part for scrap savings. Tires, gears, and panels ripped out cheaper than a clearance sale. Even demolition feels like bargain shopping in the Midwest. Like a giant mechanical hand, the grapple dives into piles of metal, pulling out twisted beams with ease. It's a fascinating dance of strength and control. The Comtech Chippo 8210C packs a Cat 780 HP engine pushing torque past 2,000 Nm. Its drum system chews logs clean, processing 250 cubic meters hourly. CGT delivers this German-built machine designed for relentless forestry duty with precision engineering. Honestly, nobody expects a 40 horsepower compactor to eat a full treadmill like candy, but the EM40G does it without hesitation. That screw auger digs in relentlessly, proving once again that American waste processing tech delivers wow moments alongside serious muscle and control. From soaking people to soaking sparks in a shredder, this bathtub proves even retirement can be metal and productive. The M&J 4008M C&I from Denmark crushes 50 tons per hour with patented open cutting table and oversized blades. Its hydraulic powertrain delivers steady torque, ensuring commercial and industrial waste becomes RDF fuel. Reliability across 500 plants proves unmatched performance worldwide. After 30 years in scrapyards, nothing impressed me like the SSI Dual Shear TM. Old torch jobs risked flying shards, but this twin-shaft design cuts safer and steadier. With Torquey keeping rebar under control, workers stay out of danger while output keeps rising. This twin-shaft shredder chomps an IBC tank like a hungry alligator after skipping lunch. 250 kilos of raw crank makes plastic beg for mercy. Honestly, it's oddly satisfying, if only it could handle Monday emails with the same crushing efficiency. Under crushing jaws, fragile cans collapse like bones cracking in slow motion. Hydraulic pistons slam with 60 tons of force, each press echoing like thunder. What once cluttered landfills now transforms into shimmering silver blocks. Industrial drama scripted by raw engineering power.
Vem pra cá, e pra cá, vem pra cá.
The power hand ERS grapple exerts massive hydraulic force, shredding dense engine blocks with over 150,000 FTLBs of torque. Its integrated rear magnet lifts hardened steel instantly, reducing wear on the shredder and boosting throughput efficiency. a precise, rugged recycling solution from Scotland. Picture two massive shafts rotating like jaws of steel, pulling aluminum inward with unstoppable force. Sparks flash. The sound is primal thunder. Every crushed sheet feels like a battle scene, where human engineering conquers stubborn metal in cinematic slow motion. Wow. TRD-40SC launches a fine mist 40 mph out, powered by onboard generator and packed into a 2000L tank on an approved trailer. Sudden coverage, long runtime, and versatile nozzle choices make it an impressive odor and dust annihilator indeed. That log thought it had centuries to stand tall, yet two shafts and a 250 kWh motor proved otherwise. Like nature meeting a blender on steroids, it's oddly funny. Proof even stubborn wood eventually becomes mulch when engineering flexes harder. The Slayer XL dual-shaft shredder runs at low RPM, yet delivers brutal torque exceeding 70,000 ft-lbs. Powered by a 350 horsepower diesel engine, it tears through appliances effortlessly. Slow speed reduces heat and sparks, ensuring safety when shredding mixed household materials under heavy-duty cycles. A blast shatters rock, yet it also frees paths for new creation. Sometimes, destruction is the first step to building bridges, tunnels, or even hope. Mining mirrors life's paradox: break to rebuild stronger. The Pronar Pro S1 concrete shredder packs a 310 kW diesel engine delivering torque over 180,000 ft-lbs. With reinforced steel jaws and hydraulic stability, it processes 40 tons per hour. This Polish-built beast turns reinforced concrete into uniform rubble, ensuring consistent feed without clogging. Life feels like the SBR3 screener. Roots and clay tangled, messy, overwhelming. Yet with the right mesh, 20x20 millimeters, everything separates, order returns. The Terex TL100 loader reminds us progress isn't rushing, it's moving steadily, one careful scoop at a time. The ACA crusher runs continuously with adjustable output, shredding stone and glass wool into precise fibers. Its high-torque motor keeps a steady feed without jams, while insulation layers separate cleanly. Built for 24/7 duty, this machine defines reliability in modern recycling. In the wood recycling industry, machines like the Uraco 75D truly save countless hours of manual labor. Instead of cutting mixed wood by hand, it shreds everything with ease, making biomass production and landfill reduction much simpler and more efficient. The FAE SFM 200 combines a fixed-tooth rotor with a 200 HP tractor engine, delivering immense torque to grind rock, cut stumps, and mulch orchards. Italian engineering shines in durability, allowing operators to mix soil efficiently while ensuring consistent depth across diverse terrains. Watching the D9 compress a car reminds me, strength isn't always about speed, but controlled force applied steadily. Like life, pressure reveals what's fragile and what endures. The crushed frame becomes a lesson. Destruction can also prepare the way for renewal and change. A pallet stuffed with nails, screws, and staples once looked like a carpenter's revenge. Then Texcan showed up, chewing metal like breakfast cereal. This Brazilian shredder's cast frame laughs at chaos, teaching that even messiest jobs sometimes just need the right appetite. Watching this crusher work is fascinating. Piles of rubble from old buildings vanish in minutes, replaced by neat streams of gravel. What looked like useless waste now becomes the foundation for future construction projects. The Fendt 716 tractor, packing 150 kilowatt-hours and 7 and 10 Newton torque, drives the Gentile spreader with surgical precision. That combo ensures snow clears evenly while minimizing fuel consumption in winter operations. Back in 1999, grinders like the Bandit Beast 3680 were revolution. Today, with 97,000 miles behind its international 9200, it stands as proof. Machines age, but the hum of Cummins M11 still carries history forward. If your heart's still racing after trucks and crushers tore through metal and stone, don't stop now. Smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Drop a comment below. Which machine gave you the biggest adrenaline rush?